Hey, Ty again from xking.com. Real quick video. Blogging tips. Now, if you go on Pinterest, you go on Google, you see all these, you go blogging case studies, you go blogging income reports, these big time bloggers making $200,000, $100,000, $60,000 a month from blogging. They don't give you, in my opinion, jewels, gems to get started. They just give you the end result. They don't tell you how hard it is. They'll tell you, I got it from Pinterest, but they don't tell you how they do it. They don't tell you how they got started. They don't tell you how long it took. They don't tell you what's the post frequency. There's a lot of questions. So in this video on my blog, I blog for 7 months now. Try with Now is good. I'm gonna tell you what I've done, what I continue to do, and what I use to promote the blog. Okay, so with my blog, I started back in November. Now it's May. Been blogging. I did a blog post a day in November, a blog post a day in December. And every blog post, some are 2,000 words, some are 1,500 words, some are just maybe 600 words with a YouTube video. Okay, so that's my mix, depending on the subject. Because some subjects don't need a 2,000 word blog post on it. If I'm doing a video about how to do side hustles, I don't need to do a 3,000 word blog post. And that's what I've done. And my best traffic source will be Pinterest. Doing manual pins. I don't use Tailwind, but I'm interested in doing Tailwind because it's only $10 a month, and not only can you pin your blog post, but you also pin your YouTube videos. So if I'm doing YouTube and blogging every day, I want it to get the most traffic. So I'm thinking about getting Tailwind to experiment with that, but I'll have a future video about that in the future. Now, I blog and I continue to write blog posts. Right now, my frequency is every other day writing a blog post. And I do hire writers for my blog. I use iWriter.com for my hire writers. What I do is I find a topic in my niche, in the marketing niche, that's really hard to write about. So I hire a writer to write it for me. And if they do a good job writing an article for me and I pay the money and they give me the article, I post it on my blog. That's how it works. So, I guess number one tip is to keep writing. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay. I don't regret it. Looking back, I wish I would have started my blog when I was 24. I'm 31 now. I wish I started my blog when I was 24. Because if I started the blog when I was 24 and did 2 blog posts per week for the next until I'm 31, my blog will be 10 times bigger now. I'd be making so much money, but I didn't do it. Mainly because I didn't know about it. So it wasn't because I knew about it, I'd bullshit with it. I just didn't know much about it. So now I'm going back. I wish I'd done it. So if you live by yourself right now, if you work your full-time job, you pay all the bills right now, and you are, no matter what your age, start your blog and a YouTube channel right now. That's the best advice I can give anybody. And do a video a day and do a blog post a day or 3 blog posts a week. Do that right now. Because if you do it now, and you're young too, you say you're 23, 24, you're at your own place, you do it right now. By the time you're my age, you be making good money. Making good money if you have done that right now. So keep writing content. Be patient, because Google takes time. Write the content, be patient, continue to post content to your sites, hire writers, whenever possible, hire writers for your blog, for your blog. Best tips, hire writers, get your frequency you want to post. I tell people, hey, do 3 blog posts a week. Do 2. Don't do 1, because 1 is very, very slow. You want to get some kind of traction. Do at least 2. 2 blog posts a week. Do a video every day, or do 3 or 4 videos a week. Do that consistently. Do that consistently. Keep on doing it. Do it for a full-blown year. Do it for a full-blown year and see the difference when you started and where you are now. Those are the best tips. Keep on writing. Never stop. The biggest people that I follow on their blogs, they post every day. I follow John Chow. He does a blog post every day. He has a YouTube channel, YouTube video every day. Every day, he's trying a new video up live, going live. So if he's doing it, if he's, doing it, and I tell John Chow a lot on my channel. If he's doing it, if he's saying, do a blog post a day, do a video a day, and he's doing it, and he's driving a Tesla, he makes $100,000 a month. He says his house is paid for cash. He doesn't work. He does it full time. I think he's right. I think he's right. I think he's right. So I'm listening to his advice. I'm taking it. I'm telling you, do a blog post a day. Do a video a day. Do what you can. If you can't do a blog post a day, which I can't, do it every other day. Skip a day. Skip a day, do one. 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 Do one consistently. Do a video consistently. If you can't do one every day, do one day, skip a day. Do one the next day, skip a day. Continue to post content. If you work a full-time job, go in your car during your lunch and shoot you a video. When you get home from work, shoot you a YouTube video. Just shoot it. Whatever niche you're in, just shoot it. If you're in the gaming niche, do a gaming video. So, and the cool thing about it, if you have kids who play video games and they're good at it, put them on YouTube. Put them on YouTube. Just record their gameplay. Hey, do you mind recording? Give me 4 clips and let me get those 4 clips from you. Oh, okay, they'll do it because they're playing video games. Take them 4 clips, start you a brand new channel, upload to YouTube. Upload to YouTube, get views. Get 1,000 subscribers, you start putting ads in your videos, making money. And if they play a lot, which I don't know just to play a lot, but if they play a lot, you set them a channel, you have your own channel. So they'll do clips for your channel and clips for their own channel. That's how you do it. It's content. You must have content. The number one thing you must have, content. The best button ever created, the best button is the publish button. That's the best button God had ever made. That publish. Because when you hit that publish button to YouTube or a blog post, you'll make money. That's the best button you can push. Publish. Once the content written, once the video shot, you put on YouTube, the best they can do is take it off private and hit public or hit publish. So continue to write content, It takes a long time, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. If you want to start blogging today, you're going to blog forever. You're not going to start doing it. So that's it for my video, real quick video. That's the best tips I give you. Write content. Thanks for watching.